Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix common iPhone problems. Troubleshooting guide. The most common problems found in used iPhones are bad batteries, Touch ID and Face ID problems, touch disease, no vibration, and cracked glass. On batteries, to fix this, upgrade the phone's iOS. If this doesn't work, replace the battery, which you can usually complete in minutes. Second, Touch ID and Face ID problems. To fix this, a light touch of Touch ID won't register response. When testing a Touch ID on a used iPhone, ensure your whole finger is pressed against the reader. You should keep your fingers still for at least a few seconds to see if the reader responds to it. In case or screen protector used for an iPhone can impact the Touch ID's response as well. Be sure to remove the case of screen protector from an iPhone before you test a Touch ID. And to fix the Face ID, common failure scenarios for it to stop working after an iOS upgrade. If Face ID is properly set up and your face isn't unlocking the phone, try rebooting the device. If that doesn't fix the issue, enter settings and reset Face ID. The third, touch disease. You may be able to fix touch disease with a simple force restart. Or you can delete resource-intensive apps from your iPhone, restore the device factory settings, or remove and replace its SIM card. If none of these solutions work, you can microsolder the touch screen control chip back onto the logic board. This requires precision and care. If you make a mistake as you microsolders, you risk permanent damage to the iPhone. Fourth, no vibrations. Go to your iPhone's accessibility settings to verify that the switch next to vibration is on. If the switch is green, your device should vibrate. It is also possible that an iPhone won't vibrate if the device vibration patterns is set to none. In this instance, go to Settings and select General, followed by Sounds and Haptics, then Ringtone. At this point, select Vibration at the top of the screen. Ensure there is a check mark next to everything other than one. Fifth, cracked glass. Kits are available online that you can use to replace a cracked iPhone screen. They often include instructions you can follow to safely remove a cracked iPhone screen and install a new one. And tips for how to fix iPhone's problem: restart your iPhone, update the iOS, reset all settings, review your battery's health, and clean ports. These tips won't resolve every Apple iPhone defect, but they can help you quickly and affordably address common iPhone problems. You can also use them to continuously review the condition of iPhones in your inventory and prevent problems from cropping up. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.